In this video, we'll calibrate the Tru-Point bar sensors. Tru-Point uses 4 sensors along the bar to help place the targets at the correct distances. From the main menu, go to Service. Then open Calibrations and select Linear Target. Tru-Point will guide you through the process by asking you to position the sensors to specific measurements along the bar. Move each sensor to the exact value shown on screen. Once it's set correctly, tap Next to continue. The system will prompt you with a new measurement for the next step. Repeat the same process, set the sensor position, confirm the measurement, and press Next until the calibration is complete. When you're finished, you'll see a green success message. That confirms the calibration is complete and your sensors are now updated. Remember, if target positioning seems inconsistent or the system isn't reading placement reliably, recalibrating these sensors is a good first step. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.